Disclaimer: all stunts done in this video are done by professionals in controlled and safe environments, so no one can get injured.
Let's go skate, get drunk, then go do something. Not go kill nobody, man. Let's get drunk and do something. Don't ever leave the crib without it, bitch. I got it on me.
Coming? Check the back out a little bit. I know.
Oh my god. This car might just fit.
That's what she said.
Today, we got the intakes, you know what I'm saying? We got a little special package today. Shout out my nigga Willie over here. And we, he gonna be installing, you know what I'm saying? So, basically, he gonna have the car sound like, how's it gonna sound?
It's gonna sound just like that.
Well, no fucking shit.
Oh my god, I never actually saw this shit, bro. It's gonna sound like, it's gonna sound like, it's gonna sound like. Damn, bro, I don't even know what to expect, bro. This is the first real mod I'm doing to my car, I ain't gonna lie. You guys know I got this shit like, probably a month ago. But, this is the beginning of a lot of mods. This is the pre-workout, bro?
I gotta do dishes.
So I can focus.
I gotta do dishes.
So I can fucking focus.
I got you, bro.
Hold on, bro.
Hey, you make me look short, though? You make me look like...
I got it, bro. Trust.
You sure, bro?
Ready.
It's not right. It shouldn't go right here. This one got...
Brian.
Bro.
Yo. we gotta split this into 2 shots.
Yo, hold on. So he gonna be the one installing my intakes, bro?
2 shots.
You sure?
2
So you gonna be good to do this, bro? For real?
shots.
Good.
Trust, bro.
2 shots.
Hey, okay,
Fuck it, bro.
Okay.
It's only right.
Hey.
To the first model of my car, for real, bro.
Hopefully it doesn't blow up.
Arriba.
What you mean, bro?
Good. Let's get ready to rumble.
Oh my god, show us what's fire here.
Look at the camera. You know, as y'all know, it's allergy season. It's allergy season. We're in spring and shit like that. I can't be the only one with allergies, bro. My car gonna have to be with, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean?
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Oh my god, bro, shit. It's like it makes me sneeze every time you smell it, you don't think so? Sure, bro, I'm not tripping, bro. Oh my god, yo, you, is this me? No, one more time.
You guys always say about it.
That's what we got going on here, bro. What are you seeing so far?
I need another shot.
What you mean, bro?
I need another shot, bro. Nah.
I think I gotta take another shot.
We got everything we need, bro. We chilling.
Everything we need?
Chilling. We got everything.
Everything looks
we need,
good?
bro. Everything looks good.
Everything was good quality and shit like that?
Yeah, it looks pretty good actually.
Not bad,
See this? You see this welding here?
Yeah.
That shit look nice.
I think I'm buzzing.
See that
But it's
shit?
just right from.
Shit look nice. Shit look nice.
It look just right for them.
Damn, bro, what's cocking is this?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
This man Omar's afraid of vegetables, nigga. You let that shit go bad, yo.
You let the romaine go bad?
Romaine go bad,
bro.
Nigga, it was a 2 for 4, nigga. I only eat one, bro.
You said it was what?
It was a 2 for 4, nigga. The one of them went bad, bro.
Nah, he lying, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, you know what I'm saying? I got my toolbox and shit, and I'm about to start, you know what I'm saying? Then I'll show him working on the car. They supposed to think it's me, bro. Come on, bro. You wanna get fired now?
My fault, man.
Shut up. Woo, this is hilarious, bro. Oh my god, bro. Woo, I swear to God, bro.
Yo, yo, bro, what are you doing, bro? Where you at?
What
You working on your car right now, bro? We are lollygagging and shit, bro.
Nah, I'm watching JP. You don't know JP?
Haven't heard of him.
Bro, listen, he just started a new channel. You gotta tune in, I ain't gonna lie, bro. His shit fine, he hilarious, bro. Now get out of here, let me get back to watching my video, bro. Let me get back to watching it, bro. Get out, get out.
Just wait till then, bro. Alright, man. You know that's what you paying, right? You know that, right?
What?
For all this labor, nigga, two talking large pizza from down and shit.
I'll do it, bro. That's alright. Yo, so what are we doing right now, bro? What's going on, bro? Explain to the people.
Trying to take out this inlet. Put that one piece of shit clip all the way at the bottom. Then you said, what's the hardest thing to get to? Probably this piece of shit clip.
Damn.
We're gonna get to it though.
We gonna get to it?
We're gonna get to it.
Yeah, but I'm putting in hard work right now. Sweating like a motherfucker, man. It's just.
Oh shit!
Nah, so basically I'm putting this on. This is probably the hardest thing to do. He's doing like a little easy. I have him doing like the little small things. As y'all can see, nothing crazy going on over there.
Let's get to it. I can't take this shit no more, man.
Me, I'm putting the rubber on the ends and stuff. It's hard to get this
what's
stuff
the rubber
on.
for again?
Just so like everything can fit comfy. You know, everything can fit nice, tight, comfy, all that. What I'm saying, you know what they say if you don't go rubbers. Hey.
Man, shut your bitch.
You're not gonna ask what they say if you don't go rubber?
Don't care.
Money, are you sure you wanna keep your job, bro?
Yo, what they need the rubber for? What's the rubber? What they say?
Yeah, I never thought you would ask, nigga. Yeah, I never thought you would get to this point, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, cut it, bro. I gotta look up a video, bro. Yeah, I gotta look up. What you think about this no more? Does it give you flashbacks about your 440?
Yeah, I'm getting a little throwback right now.
No, show me, show.
Little throwback and shit.
Little throwbacks?
Yeah.
They don't know.
They don't know about it. They never will know. But, you know.
Flash, you don't got no. I'm about to throw a flashback in that
Yeah,
bitch.
you can throw a flashback. I'm gonna show you right now.
The fucking, yeah, bro. He had a fast 440. I ain't gonna lie, you had a fast 440, bro. That shit was.
Yeah, 2 for 40.
Yeah, two.
Yeah, two
The first one got magged, then the second one got magged. Damn.
Second one was a strategy. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, they were both white. I don't know if it's a bad luck with white cars. Maybe that's what it is,
Nothing
bro.
has ever happened with the black ones. The first one was his neighbor.
What do you mean by that?
Installing as we speak. We're installing it as we speak.
Oh shit, true?
Yeah. Huh?
What, like another 30 minutes?
Maybe like, yeah, like a little less than an hour type shit.
True.
Yo,
I'm out of class already.
yo, how's that shit gonna sound when I'm done though? Like, how's it gonna sound?
It doesn't sound like shit. I mean, it's a B58. What do you expect? It's not an SSD.
Are you serious, bro?
Yeah, I mean, you wanted the truth, didn't you?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Nah, it's not even, I mean, to be honest, just get rid of the car, just give it to me, and I'll take care of it for you.
What type of shit is that?
Yeah, just like that, just give it to me and I'll sort it out for you.
So wait, it's not gonna sound like stu. It's not gonna sound like that.
Nah, it won't. It probably sound like a little Mini Cooper.
A Mini Cooper. Yo, my nigga, he's capping or what? Nah, bro.
Nah, it's gonna be loud. You're gonna hear that shit. It's gonna be loud.
Nah, you're gonna hear it. It's gonna sound like a Hellcat sucking in the air, bro.
Yeah. What are you gonna do then, bro?
Yo,
What?
What you mean?
there's oil in your fucking air filter, bro.
What you mean, bro? What's that mean, bro?
Fuck, man. It means I'll give you a bid for the car right now as is.
Fuck, they sold this nigga a lemon.
What you mean, bro? What's oil in the air filter mean, bro?
No, the filter is crazy, bro.
They sold him a lemon. No wonder this shit has been running the same.
But stop playing with me, bro. What y'all talking about?
Your turbos are not supposed to have any oil in it. Nigga, it's connected to your turbo.
He has oil in your turbo?
I got scammed!
That clamp, bro. Take that clamp.
Oh,
This right here.
Okay. Oh, man. This way.
Other way.
Other way. Okay. Now everybody's built for this beamer lifestyle, you know.
Yo, you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
I was wondering your shit.
No, I was like, when you turn around, bro.
Chill, like, yeah, come on, bro. I'm serious, bro. You wanna get fired, nigga?
Alright, we'll be back in a second, bro.
Yeah, this nigga. Like you got us in the office.
I already fired your ass. Shut up.
I put my 2 weeks and I left the first day.
Yeah, you're double fired now, buddy. You're double fired. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, game. There we go.
Nah, I'm saying, you feel what I'm saying? Hey, don't ever say I never did nothing, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I'm a real car guy. I'm working on my cars and shit like that.
First pull, that shit blowing off, nigga.
You hear? I'm just going.
That shit gonna sound like that shit.
Go for that shit. Oh shit! Oh my god! Chill, bro. Yo, I'm cutting that out, bro. I'm cutting that out, my nigga. We might business. Matter of fact, yo, let me see your head real quick, gang.
The boo.
Oh shit.
Nah, what's under the boo-boo, bro?
That's classified for the time being. Classified for the time being. Whose YouTube channel is this again?
Let me see the nigga. The frosted flakes right here, shit, favorite cereal and shit. Alright, it's not about him right now. Come on, back to the car.
So, bro. Yo, see if this shit starts.
See if it starts?
Moment of truth, gang.
Moment of truth, let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah.
I hear that.
Let me hear that. Yeah, you hear that, man. I mean, it sound like Darth Vader. So, y'all come over here, y'all niggas taking shots. What's going on, bro?
Feel me? Got to.
Shots? Oh, yeah. Might as well grab the res, you feel what I'm saying? The bigger toast, bigger toast. Yo, what are we making a toast to, though?
So that car not blowing up, bro.
What you mean?
Yo, just take the shot, bro. Loosen the nerves a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Little papa.
Yeah, you sure it's not gonna blow up, though, right?
Nah, bro, you be good.
And alright, so feel me? We finished up with the car and shit. Sounds nice. My boy. Appreciate you. Hey, he know what he was doing the whole time, you know what I'm saying? I was trolling shit, but he knew what he was doing. But yeah, you said that, so the 2 pieces, right? I owe you the 2 pieces?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You said you was gonna help me. Yo, who taking care of this bill? You and my boy.
What you mean?
I take car.
Come here. What the fuck is he talking? Wait, it's not 2 slices?
Nah, bro. I take card, checks, cash, tap to pay, rate. That's how much as it is.
How much?
Bro, you got that, bro.
500. What's the one?
Yo, bro.
What currency?
Bro, I'll take it off right now. It's USD, bro. Come on.
Give me one. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna go. Yo. Yeah, just read it.
You said it was 2 slices, nigga.
Nigga, it's not my car, nigga. He said it was good with 2 pizzas.
What are you talking about, man? Look at what I'm talking about. What are you talking about?
How much was it?
Nigga said 1,500. 1,500, bro? $1,500? Where'd you find this nigga at, man?
Nigga said I posted a fucking poll on my story. Nigga said
Oh my god. I'm not paying for it. Alright, I'm gonna tell him I'm pulling it out. And I'm gonna dip just let. I don't know. I'm getting out of it. I'm dipping.
Nigga, get it. We're gonna get an angle inside the car. I'm gonna send you it right now. I'm gonna just pull the car right here. Right there. Alright?
You said $1,500?
I got his $1,500 right now.
Well, 1,500 what? 1,500 what?
Woo! Oh my god! Wait, why I say drivetrain malfunction, bro?
What?
What's this?
it ain't a beam if we don't got followers.
You know what I'm saying? Oh my god! Oh, what? What does the wrench mean though? It means that we just fixed it?
Yes, sir.
Come here, show them the little wrench right there. Does that mean we just fixed it? What happened?
No, you good, bro. You don't gotta worry about that.
Oh, okay. I just had to make sure. So
Nah, you just need to put air in your tires. So.
Oh my god, it sounds way meaner, bro. Are you hearing this? Yo, nah, gang. Oh my god, this sounds way meaner. Wow. Yo, Alex. This shit sounds crazy. I fuck with this. I fuck with it, yo. You good? 1,500 in my ass, though. You bugging.
You know what's the crazy part?
What happened?
Shit sound better when it's free.
Yeah. You're not getting this money, yo, this is how crazy, gang. You wanna hear it? Watch this. What?
Yo, what you feeling like?
Hey, this shit crazy, boy. Woo! Come on.
Shit, nigga. Open this up.
Yo, nigga, this shit wild, bro. What my mother, this shit wild. Nah, this shit fun. This shit fun. That shit like added a little sauce to my car. I needed this song, bro.
Wow. See that shit?
Yo, wow.
How that shit sounding, gang?
Yeah, that's so amazing, nigga. I know it's allergy season, but I know cars get sick too, you know?
That ass.
Nigga, this shit's on fire.
Yeah.
Yo, this is on fire, bro. I fuck with that shit. What
the fuck is this nigga doing here?
Yo, what about my payment, bro?
You take Afterpay?
This nigga's ass, bro?
You don't take Afterpay?
How you feeling, gang?
This shit a beauty. Y'all fuck with this heavy, yo. I can't even lie to you. This shit is crazy. Like, W install. Listen, I think every Beamer should have an intake, bro. If you get a Beamer, get a motherfucking intake. That shit sound mean as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, bro. I think we'll end the video off here. Appreciate you. Hey, this nigga, he blessed. I'm gonna get you those 2 slices of pizza. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta take the 2 slices. We call that 2 slices, but they gotta be like gourmet slices. But it's cool. Yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, all that extra shit. You know what I mean? And we'll catch you on the next one.
Don't never leave the crib without it, bitch. I got it on me. If you don't give support, then shit to me. You look like my opponent. Always kept it real, so if you rock with me, you know we rollin'. Copper G or Luna, let's go out and do some drunk bows.